Hello there, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. In today's workshop, I'm going to teach you how to make interactive doors with key system in Roblox Studio. Sorry for the delay. We had a problem about microphone, but I fixed it so we can continue our journey. Now, at first, you have to download Roblox Studio from robloxstudio.com and come to this homepage, then click any kind of game. For example, if you are creating a new game, you can just click faceplate. Since I'm creating a new one, I clicked faceplate, and now let's continue our game. Okay, at first we have to use parts to create a door. You come to homepage, click part that since my part is like a cylinder right now, I will click that arrow under the part and click block. Now let's get our block and click scale from over top left top corner. Let's say that this will be the door, but we have to add another part for sides. You can see that this part is a little too big, and with scale you can't make it under one, so you can click this part, come to size. You can see the first one will be our choice, I think. Yeah, it is the one. Edit first one to 1.0.5. Let's make our door thicker too. It is the first one again. No, it's the last one, I think, right? Yeah, it's the last one. After making this one, let's come move this part to this side. Yeah, it looks normal right now. And now select scale, make it bigger to fit the door. You don't have to make the same again, just right click and click duplicate, or you can just use Ctrl D and select move and use this arrow to move like this. Let's say if it's, oh, let's see if it's symmetric. Yeah, it's symmetric right now. Now let's add another part for top and under. Click part. Or instead of creating a new part, we can just duplicate this one again. Right click, duplicate, move right here. But you can see we need from this side to this side. So we click rotate and use it like this. Then click move. Use arrows to move it. Let's look from top. It's symmetric. Yeah, it is. Now we will use scale to make it fit the door. And then we will right click and click duplicate, then move it downwards like this. While holding Ctrl, click these side parts and come to brick color in properties. Color it like this one. Select middle one and let's make it a little white tone, I mean light tone. But we have to add handle right here to make it look normal though. But you can see our part creates only this one. So you come to part and click that arrow under the part. After this, you click sphere. That's a good right handle, right? But we have to make it smaller. Let's click scale again. Make it smaller. Click move. Hold it. It looks normal, but let's move it like this. And duplicate this one. Move it for this side. So it looks symmetric like this. Are they the same size? No. Or are they? Yeah, it's symmetric right now. We can see from this side. See? We can also color this ones. Let's select what color it should be. Actually, white looked normal, right? No, it didn't. Okay. Yeah, this is well. After making this door, uh, while holding mouse 1, left click, select all of these parts and come to this page, right in Explorer. Right click this part, come to Solid Model and click Union and name this one door. Now we have a door. But let me show what happens. Let's click play. The parts will move when we touch it. See, the door fell down. We select this part, scroll down in properties, and find this encode in the part section. Let's select this one, and now our door is anchored, so it will not fall down when you touch it. Let's also make a room for this door so it looks like normal because it doesn't protect anything right now. Let's scale this one. Click move. Okay, let's scale again. And now let's duplicate this with shortcut Control D. Let's duplicate it again. And now let's scale this one. I'm afraid we didn't scale size. The first size, what is matters? First size is 10 for this one, 10 for this one, and 11.5 for this one. So we need 31.5. Become the size and edit first one 31 to 5. Oh, is it symmetrical? No, it is not. Let's do it like this. Copy this one. Move it right here. Also duplicate this one. Move it right here too. After this, come to scale. Make this together. Now let's duplicate this one again. But we have to rotate it like this. And move it in this corner. Scale. Then duplicate and move. Okay, this is okay now. Now we have to add a roof and this corner. Let's click pause, scale it, move. and duplicate it, move to this corner, rotate, and here we go. We have a small house. Now select all of this, come to encode page. Again, make sure this encode is selected. Okay, now let's click play and see if our house is normal. And yes, we can't go inside. Now we will make the key. Come to part again, add a cylinder, scale it down to 1, then come to this properties page again. Instead of 1, edit it to 0.3. Also make it a little smaller, maybe. For now it looks good. Now let's move it up, rotate it. Rotate it like this. And now let's add a cylinder again. Scale it. We have to scale it to, or before scaling, let's rotate it so we can know what it looks like. Come to select the cylinder, come to size again. We will edit the last one to 0.2, I think, right? No, it's to 0.3. I think 0.5 is the way. Yeah, it's the way. 0.5. Let's make it 3 long. Move again. I like this part of the game where you can just edit and make things yourself. Let's edit the first one to 2. My bad. Edit the second one to 0.5, I think. 0.3. Yeah, 0.3 is okay. Put it right here. Now we will add another part. Oh, where did it go? Let's come here. Oh, let's, instead of adding another part, let's copy this one and rotate it because it will make us save time. Let's scale it. Edit the first one to 0.2. Now move it in this corner. Okay, let's click move. Move it like this, duplicate, and move it again. Let's double key. Let's select all. Let's color it to yellow since it's key. Right click, come to solid modeling, select union, and edit it to handle. Come to workspace, click that plus, add a tool, and name this tool key, and drop the handle inside this key tool. Now, come to plugins page, manage plugins, click that plus, and search tool grip editor. You can either buy this $5 one, which is the best for now, but I downloaded this free one, which is, you can see, let's click that thing, by Metagames Tool Grip Visual Editor. Now, let me come to plugins, select this Tool Grip Visual Editor, select this one, and you can see there's a Start Visual Editor right this corner. You will see a hand, and in this corner you will see how the character will look when they hold this weapon, which is key. we have to rotate this key, come to home page, rotate. Yeah, this is normal now. Come to plugins, select this, select editor. And somebody tell me why it is like this. Yeah, I think we fixed it. Click that thing right here and rotate our hand. Then click move. And now I think it looks normal, right? Let's see. Yeah, this is the way. Now let's click home and click play. We have a key here, and when we get on it, we'll get it on our hand. But when we get close to the door with key, you can see it's not opening anything because we didn't add any script. Now let's come to workspace, come to door union, which we created before, is this one. Click that plus next to door, write script. And in this page, we are going to write our script, this one. Local door equals script dot parent. Local is open. Equals false. That means, okay, I fixed it. This code means by default, this door is closed. Now let's write a code which will allow the door to open when it interacts with a key. Door touched, connect, function hit, local player equals game dot players. That means if the player touches the door, it will search player's inventory to see if the player has key. And if the player has key, we will write this one now. If tool and not is open, then this too means if you open the door with your key, door will be open for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, it will automatically close. Yeah, that's it. That's it for our code. Now let me explain this part again. This means the door will be closed default. So when the player joins world, this door will be closed by default. But if the player touches the door, this script will check the player's inventory to see if he has the key. If they have key, then the door will be open. Can collide 0.5 means the door will be passable, not a wall, for 2 seconds. After waiting 2 seconds, you can edit this part according to your waiting seconds. I will edit it to 1. It will wait 1 second, then the door will be closed. Now let's click play and try our code. For this, let me just move this right here. Yeah, this is better now. Okay, we got key. Now let's see. Yeah, when we get close to the door with our key, the door is open. You can see we have key in inventory, but the key is not touching the door, so it's not opening. But when we get key and when we touch the door with key, it will open automatically. Okay, that's it for today's workshop. I explained how to make models like this, how to make, for example, door, how to make it a union model, and how to add plugins, then script for this key. That's it for today's workshop. Make sure to follow our content for other updates about this Roblox Studio and easy tutorials. Also, if you get any kind of question or if you need any help, you can always message me. I will try my best to help you. See you guys in our next workshops. Bye.